welcome to my channel. I'm really excited because I finally was able to get into my Tumblr account that has all of my old pictures. That's what I've been waiting for the last few months because I really have been wanting to recreate my Tumblr Goth phase. I know, saying that out loud is a little concerning, but I recreated my scene phase and I'll link that up here and in the description below, and I asked in the video if you guys wanted to see some of my other phases because I went through so many. But I'm so happy that I was able to get into the account. Well, not actually into it, I just like made another account, had to turn my safe mode on because apparently I had explicit content on my Tumblr, and then whatever the whole backstory is, I got the pictures. Before we get started, I'm going to show you guys pictures for reference so you actually know what I mean by my Tumblr Goth phase instead of me sitting around just explaining it. I might as well just show you. So here's some pictures that I'm going to be using of reference for my makeup look today and my outfit look. I feel like I still kind of dress like this, but I like toned it down to the fact where it's cute and acceptable instead of like, girl, you look like Halloween all the time. Well, I still look like Halloween all the time, but you guys know what I mean. Without further ado, if you guys are gonna like this video at any point, please give me a like, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and let's just get into my Tumblr Goth phase. Okay, in general, I never wore foundation. If you're seeing the pictures and you saw the pictures and you're like, you're pale as a ghost, obviously you have foundation on. No, I just literally didn't go out in the sun because I had this weird complex where like I had to pretend that I hated the sun and I was such a vampire. So I want to give you guys like a backstory on how I transitioned from being, I guess, like scene pop punky to like goth. I don't know. They all like fall under the same umbrella, which I know that I explained in my other video, in my recreating my scene phase video, but Tumblr came around in like 8th grade, I guess. And, you know, love Tumblr, yada yada, was always seen. But then one day I was like, you know what, I could like take this to the next level. I love Halloween, I love dark things. If I inherit this style, it'll be normal for me to look like Halloween all the time. Like, I'm being serious. This is like my thought process. And so I had this girl crush on this girl named Felice Fawn. I'll put pics here. She's like famous on Tumblr. She's like literally Tumblr famous. And I was obsessed with her. And she like lived in London or England, somewhere, wherever. And I was like, oh my god, she's so cool. Like, she walks around and she's just like this goth girl. And like, I felt like here I couldn't be that. And I know, listen, I'm from New York City. Like, you would think you could do and dress however you want, but when you actually dress like that and go out on the streets of like anywhere that's not St. Mark's, which is where all like the crusty people gather, if you go anywhere else, people like stare at you still. It's like, I don't know, it kind of inspired me to be like, you know what? F this, like, I'm totally gonna dress like this and how I want and kind of evolve my style into being this thing. I used to be so thick. Like, okay. Well, I've gotten thicker over the years, but you know what I mean. Alright. I'm nervous. I used to make it super thick. Just think thick. Okay. I don't think that they match, but I'm doubting that they matched in real life. Anyway. Colorful palette. I'm just gonna take like black and put it under my eyes because I think I did that. It's so hard to tell from these pictures, but My Chemical Romance. Got hit by a bus. Whatever, I guess I'll just put on my black lipstick. Black, yeah, I'll put on my black one. I have this one or this one. Both are like really dark and I would wear stuff like that, but I'm gonna do black for the sake of Vlogoween. Oh my god, the fallout though. Yeah, I'll just lick my fingers. Thought I looked good. Let's try to get ourselves together here, and actually I like it. Oh my god, no wonder why I was goth. I'm like perfect looking like it. Like, this is me, this is who I am. Oh my god. Okay, time to get dressed. So this is a very typical look that I would have done. It's layering any type of necklace possible, even if it's a bracelet or an earring. So this is just a piece of lace that, like, I don't know, I've had literally forever, and I always used to wear this and layer stuff with it. So this is just like my cross necklace, and this is actually an earring and a bindi. Ooh. And a bindi, so it's just like gets layered. I used to do that all the time, like not with specifically this, but I had this cross necklace that one day in class I was getting yelled at and I like slammed my hand on the desk and the crosses like ripped in half, and I was like, oh my god, I'm the devil. So then I started wearing it around my neck instead of on my wrist. It's so weird, I can't explain it. I cannot explain my logic. Is this, it was really always black or stripes or like dark colors, dark green, burgundy, stuff like that. Not that it matters, not like this is a goth beginner tutorial, it's just like me creating my goth face as old me. Okay, I never left the house without some sort of like garter. So this again is a bracelet, but it has like the little chains and right like this. Some sort of like high sock. I would always wear thigh highs, but I'm too hot right now. It's kind of like it. Oh my god, I should recreate. I used to post GIFs on Tumblr. I think I said that before, but I used to post GIFs on Tumblr like stuff like that all the time. I should find one of those websites and recreate it. I really don't feel like doing that. I'm kind of living for this. It feels like I flashed back to like 2012, 13. When I was like so Tumblr famous and like everybody liked me and I got mean comments that told me to go kill myself all the time. I'm still alive, bitches. Enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram. And I want you guys to watch some more Vlogoween videos, so of course I'll be posting tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.